Is it the right moment to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we will explore MicroStrategy Incorporated in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday 11th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to keep yourself informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to overlook any critical updates that may influence your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2024, our system has rated MicroStrategy Incorporated as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, boasting an increase of approximately 46.96% since we first suggested purchasing MicroStrategy Incorporated 17 days ago. This results in an average return of about 2.76% daily since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts elevated volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it has the potential to move in either direction. The stock has broken through a wide and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Any potential pullback will now find support at the level of $191, which may present a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, $262.96 will be the next possible peak level and could act as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first try. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 6.78% over this time frame, with possible returns ranging between negative 40.21% and negative 4.06%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 106.88% over the next year, with potential returns between 24.62% and 160.11%. This translates to a price range of $264.92 to $552.97 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated features the headline, "Significant movements in MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price on Friday, fluctuating 13.53% between high and low." The stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated increased 15.95% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of October, 2024. It rose from $183.34 to $212.59. Throughout that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 13.53%, ranging from a low of $187.41 to a high of $212.77. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has seen a total gain of 20.64%. The trading volume also increased on the last day, coinciding with the rise in price, which is a favorable technical indicator. In total, 14 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with 30 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $6.27 billion. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $212.77 and a lowest price of $31.43. Currently, the price is 0.08% or $0.18 below the 52-week high of $212.77, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. MicroStrategy, trading under the ticker MSTR, is making headlines as it positions itself to become the world's first Bitcoin bank. This bold strategy has generated renewed investor interest, particularly in the context of several bullish catalysts surrounding Bitcoin, expected to unfold through 2025. Industry analyst Andrew Rocco highlights that MicroStrategy is poised to capitalize on these trends, potentially making it an attractive option for investors looking to establish a foothold in the cryptocurrency market. Recently, MicroStrategy's stock saw movement synchronized with Bitcoin price fluctuations, with a significant increase of 5.69% noted last week, closing at $172.70. This correlation directly ties the stock's performance to Bitcoin volatility, emphasizing the company's heavy investment in the cryptocurrency. Additionally, MicroStrategy's innovative use of convertible debt and a new Bitcoin yield metric, showing a year-to-date increase of 17.8%, adds a layer of financial sophistication that might justify its valuation premium over its Bitcoin holdings. The reduction in interest expenses could also alleviate some financial burdens, allowing for continued strategic purchases of Bitcoin. In the short term, this renewed focus on MicroStrategy could drive stock enthusiasm, particularly if Bitcoin maintains its bullish trajectory. In the long term, as the company continues to develop its banking infrastructure around Bitcoin, the potential for appreciation could attract sustainable growth, further solidifying MicroStrategy's position as a leader in the cryptocurrency financial sector. Thus, investors may find MSTR to be a compelling investment opportunity amid the evolving landscape of digital currencies and financial technology. Analyst ratings. On Sunday, September 22, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Friday, September 13, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned MSTR a buy rating, also with a hold action. On Friday, September 6, 2024, it was reported that Barclays again assigned MSTR an overweight rating, this time with an initialize. On Wednesday, August 21, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned MSTR an overweight rating with an initialize action. On Friday, August 9, 2024, it was reported that BE assigned MSTR a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated's stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels around $186.15 and $150.17. Should the stock fall below either of these levels, it would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and the stock has since increased by nearly 86%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 26 days ago. Bollinger also presented a buy signal 27 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average signaled a buy 18 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 18 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 18 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 6 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $192.20 and $177.85. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated has support just below today's level at $192.20. If this level is breached, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $177.85 and $161.13. This stock can experience significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $25.36 between its high and low, which is a change of 13.53%. Over the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 8.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often influenced by external factors. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios could suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2024. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 11 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $192.20. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Xiao Wei-ming, who bought and sold 27,000 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.687. In total, insiders purchased 184,748 shares and sold 364,467 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $205.28, representing a decrease of 3.44%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, further amplifying this risk. However, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 25 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated exhibits several positive signals. However, we find these indicators insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since our last evaluation, shifting from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of October, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will open down by $8.33, starting trading at $204.26. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please refrain from basing your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.